In this video, I'm going to show you how you can drop through a ceiling just like this. Start with an empty shot, then have your person jump up and down or hang from the ceiling and drop down. We're going to bring the part where you drop down right on top and have the empty frame show first for a few frames. We're falling down pretty slow, so let's speed ourselves up. Right click, scroll down to the bottom here, show clip keyframes, time remapping, and speed. Click on this dot right here to add a keyframe. Drag the line on the left side of it to increase the speed. Probably around 250% will give us more than twice the speed. Then drag this blue keyframe and bend it to the right so it gives us this nice speed ramp down. It looks great, but we go from an empty shot to all of a sudden seeing his legs popping through. So let's fix that. Duplicate or bring in the same clip on the top, but this time let's right click on that clip and add a frame hold. Select this tool over here in Effect Controls to draw an outline of his legs. Just click and add dots, and if you want to add a little curve to your line, you can do that when you click, hold, and drag until you see these little handles. And you can add these curves where you need them. But your crash is going to be so fast that your outline here doesn't need to be perfect. Once you have it done, close your mask by connecting your last dot to your first dot. I'm going to move this clip to start just a couple frames sooner. Then I'll right click on it and nest the clip. In the effects panels, you can search for the transform effect, drag and drop it onto your nested clip. Bring your playhead to where the two clips meet and toggle these stop animation clocks under the transform effect. Then go a few frames over to where the clip starts and move your position up. Deselect the use composition shot and set it to around 200. The higher the number here, the more motion blur you'll have. If you want some extra assets to really sell the effect, go check out Action VFX. Search for Action VFX, go to Debris and Impact, and download some falling dust and falling wood pieces. Just add these to the top of your clips. Change the blend mode to screen to remove their black backgrounds, and adjust their positions, scales, and speed as needed. I also like to add a tint effect and select colors in my scene to make the assets fit better. And you just made an incredible crash through the ceiling. But I imagine you want to know how to do more than just fall. So click right here to learn how you can fly.